Dust, dust, and more dust. I am dealing with a lot of dust where I live. Hopefully you're not, but we're going to be talking about an air duster today and demoing it. Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day and look forward to diving in and demoing this very powerful and loud air duster. This was sent to me by a company called Merkmark, and really have been pretty surprised at how powerful this is. And I did another review on one which I thought was good. This one takes it to another whole level. So we're gonna dive in. I have an older PC that will do air dusting of it outside because it is really dusty, and I was doing a little bit in my kitchen. I said, you know what, we're gonna test it outside. So just again, you got the air duster. We'll talk about that in a minute. Comes with a Type-C charging cable. This is the box that it comes in. Got some of the specs right there on the side, and then you have your instruction booklet. Very small writing. You might need your glasses, but it's pretty easy to use. Let me share with you some of the specs of the device. They are listed, by the way, right there on the bottom. It is a powerful 45,000 RPMs. It's 60 watts of power, 15,000 milliamp battery. It's also, the battery lasts up to 60 minutes. They say 48 to 60 minutes depending upon the speed. Charge time does take a while. It takes up to 7 hours, so be prepared about that. And one of the other things as well, it does have a light on it, and I'm going to demonstrate that to you. So those will give you some of the specs. Now, what's nice about this air duster is you have the one nozzle, which comes, this is standard on most air dusters, but then you have another nozzle and it has a brush. So if you need to get into those little crevices, this is great not only for your computer, but might be your car, other electronic devices. It might be your air filter in your house. So many great uses for it. The power for charging it is right back here. Again, it does take about 7 hours of charging. Better off charging it into a wall charger than maybe your PC, that might take longer. Now, as far as function, you've got two buttons up here. The top one is the power. The bottom one is for the light. So if you're working in a low lit or dark area, you could just press the light, turns it on. Also, when you turn it on top for power, you've got the two light settings, because you've got a low speed and a high speed, and it's allowed. So I'm going to turn it on, and you'll hear how loud it is, and then you'll hear it on the high mode. So let me go ahead. You have to press it in for a couple of seconds, and you'll see the light is on. You can hear this gets very loud. Now I'm going to press it again, and you can just hear how it got really loud. So this thing gets really loud. You press it again, and it stops. Now what I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and set up my camera outside with my PC, and then you'll really see this in action. So let me go ahead and set that up, and I look forward to showing and demoing it to you. Okay, we are outside. As you can see, this is dusty. This hasn't been touched in years. So this is a great demo for this air duster. So here we go. I'm going to put it on. You should see a lot of dust happening. Look at that, all that dust coming out now. Looks like it's snowing in my computer. Woo. Yeah, I could not do this inside. And the good part is the brush nozzle can really get into some of those crevices that otherwise just using the nozzle without it would not be as effective, I think. Although let me try just to show you. I'll put this on the nozzle, and let's just see how it does alone. We'll still get a lot of dust, but the brush really helps loosen things up. Alright, whoops, I pressed it. We are at speed 2. So you can see right there, speed 2. Actually, this nozzle alone is working well. because it could get in a little deeper, so that is actually doing a good job. Whew. So there you go. This thing is covered with dust. You could see all the dust that's coming out of my computer. This is a great air duster. It's extremely powerful. Battery life is okay on it, but this is a great buy if you really want to use an air duster and really get that air, get that dust out, especially if you have some old computers. I mean, look at that. And you probably want to use this if you got heavy dust with products outside, as I'm doing here. Let me know if you have any questions. I appreciate the company sending me this, and I hope this video with the demo is of help to you. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.